my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe today and join the family. So today I thought I would just share with you guys a little first impressions and like review sort of thing on the new Maddie Ziegler Morphe Imagination palette, and also their lip and cheek duo, because I did order that as well. I seriously think this palette is so pretty. If you guys want it, don't forget to use any sort of like affiliate code to get 20% off, because I bought this for $20 instead of $25, and I also bought the lip and cheek duo for $14, I believe, or $7, one of those two, I can't even remember, but I bought it for a really good price. But yeah, if you guys want to know how I like these products, please don't forget to stick around. And yeah, I think that's the end of the intro, so let's just get started. Okay you guys, so I am going to show you guys the Maddie Ziegler palette and like the collection now. So this is the little box it came in. Look at how cute this is. Like, there's so much like attention to detail. I think it's seriously so beautiful. Like, this is probably my favorite Morphe packaging I've seen so far, if you guys are super into packaging. And here is the packaging for the Pink About It lip and cheek duo. Again, like, so pretty. I love the pastels. I feel like it's perfect for like summertime, obviously, and I just love Maddie Ziegler, so I'm really excited about this. I haven't gotten a new eyeshadow palette in a while, so let's just open it up and I will try to show you guys without blinding you guys with the mirror. But look at all those pretty colors. Like, I'm so excited for this one, God Mom, and I feel like the bright colors are also so pretty. I think she did a really good job at like making this palette fun but also super wearable. Like, I know I won't be using the third row as much, like the colorful row, but I will be using all the other ones probably on a daily. So yeah, I think today we're gonna do a fun little eye look. I kind of want to do like the one Maddie Ziegler posted on her YouTube channel with Kenzie. So I'm gonna take the color M3, or should I take Latte? I'll take the color Latte. It's just like a little brown color, and I'm gonna take it with a Morphe eyeshadow brush and just use this to kind of, what do you call it, put this in my crease. There's a little bit of fallout, but it's not too bad. I feel like all Morphe eyeshadows have like a tiny bit of fallout, so I'm gonna add this into my crease, and I'm gonna take a little bit of it and then build it up so that it is nice and blended. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it, tap it off, and then blend. And let me just tell you guys, I am not an expert at eyeshadow, so please do not judge me. I'm just a regular girl who got her makeup. So yeah, I'm applying this to the other eye, making sure it's like even. I love how blendable this formula is. I saw a lot of reviews saying that this palette was amazing because the formulation was just like no other, and it was super duper blendable. So that is kind of what we have so far. It's just like a nice little darker colored transition. And then I'm gonna take the color God Mom, which is, here, I'll swatch it because this color is so pretty. Here, I'll swatch it on my hand. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a beautiful gold color. And I'm going to just take this with my finger and I'm going to apply it to the center of my eyelids and bringing it in. Can you guys see how cute that color is? It's like a nice glitter, but I don't know, something about it is just amazing. It is a little like, it feels like it wouldn't be a nice glitter because it feels kind of chalky, but it applies like amazing. So I'm applying it with my finger because I feel like that would give me like the most amount of pigmentation. And then I'm going to take a little flat brush and take the color Butterfly Fantasy. It's just like a really nice, what is it, like a really nice like flesh tone color, and I'm gonna apply it onto my brow bone just to give definition back to my brow bone up. And then I think what I'm gonna do now is, I think I want to apply like a fun shade underneath the lash line. So I'll take the purple one, which is the color called She Insists. Wow, this is seriously so buttery and nice. Let me just swatch it for you. Look at how nice of a color that is. I'm going to take a little pencil brush and apply it on my lash line, lower lash line to be exact. I usually never do colors, so this is like very different for me, but I'm excited. I think it looks really cute. Like, I think purple complements brown eyes a little, right? I don't know. Does that look good? I'm not sure. Okay, so that is the very relaxed makeup look. Maybe we'll take a little bit of, let's see. We'll take a little bit of M3, which is a really, just like a very nice caramel brown color. And I'm going to take that and apply it into the outer V just for a little more definition. Just really focusing on the outer V. Okay, so that is the eye look. I'm going to apply some winged liner and lashes, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm finished putting on the lashes, I am going to apply the cheek and lip product. I'm super excited. I got the color Pinky Swear. So the cheek, you can use this for your cheeks and your lips, which is cool. And it's like a moussey material, or like moussey consistency. It looks kind of bright, so I'm a little nervous to apply this. So we're just going to apply it to the apples and just lightly bring it upwards. It's pretty pigmented, I would say. I do love a good blush, so I'm pretty excited about this. I think it's a cool material. It blends in so nicely. You really don't need too much. It kind of reminds me of those Maybelline mousse blushes. If you guys have ever tried those, those were like such a thing back then. I used to love them. So yeah, that's kind of what it reminds me of, but it just blends in super well. And I might be doing this completely wrong, but I don't know if that's like, I'm trying to do it so that it'll show a good amount on camera. Like, I can see it very well in person, but I don't know how bright it is on camera. So I think that's good for the cheeks. I think it looks really cute. Let me just swatch it for you guys so you guys can like see. It's kind of hard to do, but it's the first color on my hand. And now we're just gonna apply this onto our lips. It's very bright. It's very bright. I'm usually not used to this kind of lip color, but you know, it's fun, it's fresh. And now what I'm going to do is apply the lip gloss. So this is the lip gloss. It's like pretty much just a regular clear gloss, but it has a little doe foot applicator. I love it. I think the packaging is cute, and I'm just going to apply it on my lips. I probably should have put, I really probably should have put on some lip balm because my lips are kind of chapped. But that's okay. The lip gloss, I would say, is a little, it's like not sticky, but it's really thick. Like, it's not a thin type of gloss. I don't know how to explain that, but if you guys want to see the packaging, this is kind of what it looks like. Yeah, this is the finished makeup look. I guess I will just sit here and like swatch some more of the colors for you because I feel like I didn't do that. So let me just swatch some of the colors I think are super pretty. So we have the color Mint, which looks like that. It's like a nice green color. We have the color, let's see, and Back, which is like a really pretty copper tone. Wow, I'm such a good swatcher, right? And then I guess we will do, ooh, let's try the yellow. The yellow seems really cool. I usually have never tried a yellow. That is like so cute. And then we'll do, ooh, let's do Dancing Queen. This one reminds me of like the Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. Pink in there, so that's what it looks like. So yeah, I mean, I guess we'll just do one more. We'll do the blue because the blue is, I feel like the browns aren't that exciting because they're just like browns and everyone sees brown tones, but these are all the colorful colors. I don't know if you can really see that well, but yeah. Alrighty, you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!